guys, it's Andre here, and in this video I got an Angry Bird, and this bad boy, it's not just a normal Angry Bird, but when you light him up like that and then you touch his tail, it electrocutes you. And I'm a little bit scared to do this, but I'm gonna do it. And I didn't do it yet because I wanted you to see my own reaction. And yeah, let's take the last look at the sun before we do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it, guys. I will do it. And I think I'm gonna do it more than once. And one of my friends tried it once, and he said it kind of electrocutes you. So in 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, it's like it goes inside your skin. I'm gonna try this again. Oh, it actually kind of electrocutes you. There's nothing wrong with my finger. Guys, you should try it. I don't think you can feel it. Taste the light. It looks like he's doing fire. For me, it doesn't. Ooh. Okay, let's get electrocuted again. Like, it doesn't really hurt, but it does kind of tickle. I wonder what happens if you I'm really wondering if you'd stay here for like an hour and that'd still be working. How about 24 hours a day? I think the batteries would start to run out, so that wouldn't really work. But for an hour, I'd be really curious. Like, first I have really good fear, but when I actually do it, it's not that scary. Oh, that was so much. Then it was like... Then it electrocuted me bad. Yeah, I wonder how my fingers are gonna look. Oh my god. If you can see, it's actually really red, which is starting to make me think that this could be a really good weapon. If a robber breaks in, electrocute him. Like, never touch an Angry Bird's tail unless you want to get electrocuted, like me. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah. And if you buy this, make a video and show me, because I would love to see your reaction. So, bye.